Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the SHAKER-52 Wedge Platform Ankle Boots by Demonia in grey reflective vegan leather. All products that we are unboxing for you are available to buy online with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Now let's get them unwrapped for you. This style comes in many other colour combos and material variations. I'll have the details and links in the description below. Available in sizes women's US 5 to US 12. So here you can already see how the reflective material reacts with my indoor light. It has a platform wedge sole of 4.5 inches with these cutout ridges on the bottom for better grip. There are two buckle straps around the ankles and an inner side zipper to make it easier for putting on and taking off once you have adjusted your laces and the buckles. Let's unzip them and have a look inside. It's got the vegan leather lining. And an extra loop in the tongue to hold your laces, if you can see there. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style. If there is a style you want to see unboxed next time, let us know what it is by leaving a comment. So if you like these videos, we hope that you would subscribe to our channel to help our small business grow and so we can continue to make more of these unboxing videos for you. A bit of a close-up on the buckles here. So a few shots of them both together now. And there you have it, the popular SHAKER-52 Wedge Platform Ankle Boots. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Don't forget to let us know what you want to see next time. And thanks for watching, guys.